Ever wondered why hiccups suddenly hit you out of nowhere? Let's find out the weird science behind it. A hiccup happens when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts. A hiccup happens when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts. Triggers? Eating too fast, fizzy drinks, stress, or even sudden temperature changes? Most hiccups go away in minutes, but if they last over 48 hours, see a doctor. Like this fun fact? Give us a hiccup-free thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Like this fun fact? Give us a hiccup-free thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.